Hey, too much elevator. Rubber seems to be good. Alrighty. Hey, Dennis!
Dennis! We're ready, buddy.
Which way is the wind? Not that it really matters.
It's coming a little bit from the north, I think. Kind of northeast-ish.
Alright, head for the hills.
I don't know what to tell you. Head for the hills.
Find something safe to hide under.
Watch yourself, watch yourself.
Now what is this? Is this like different planes?
What's that?
What's the deal with this one?
It's a Mini Pulse Aerobat T28 combination.
Oh, cool. So you did. You made it two different planes.
Yeah. 3 different planes down the motor.
Oh, come on. Ah.
It's a slow stick.
Have you ever watched Thursday night football on college football when Dr.
This is no fun. I was expecting.
Some sort of problem, huh?
Flies great.
Apparently it flies good.
Yeah.
I need some down elevator, but then I don't have any trim left.
But anyway, I said the doctor
You probably got high rates on those, the pulse wings. It does it a lot.
try it again next week. Take 2 S. Go out there and play some football. Yeah, don't call me no more. Yeah, puppy. That looks like a bloodhound.